What's going on, guys? Happy Halloween. Today we have a Supreme Fall Winter 24 Week 11 live cop. So this is a pretty weird week for me, to be honest. There's like a lot of things that I kind of want to get and I can't make up my mind if it's going to be a good decision or not to get them. For example, the Arc Thermal Zip Up Hooded Sweatshirt is so sick to me, but that $200 price tag is kind of crazy. I really like that pink colorway. I don't really have the best luck for personal Supreme hoodies, so I feel like if I try to sell this, it might be a big flop and I'm not going to be able to get my money back. I've also been seeing mixed reviews of the HJR pants and jacket. Personally, I kind of feel like the pants are going to resell. I'm not too sure. I know there's no chains on these pants, but they're giving me that Acme Studios vibe, so I kind of feel like these could possibly have potential. I'm just not for sure. And for $200 again, I don't really know if it's going to be worth it. I did think the jacket was kind of cool, but for nearly $500 after tax, I don't think I'm going to get that either. Then for the Crest soccer jersey, I feel like there's something about these that I can't decide if I actually like these or not, but $98 kind of seems like a steal to me. So I don't know. We might go for those. I kind of like the pink. The black is kind of, I don't know, actually. The green's pretty nice. The green will probably sell the best, to be honest. I don't know. We're still thinking about those. All the leather stuff we're going to skip. The price is pretty high on those. I just feel like nowadays Supreme bags really aren't doing anything, so I guess you could count me out of those. The large leather duffel bags, I really like the brown one though, but again, that $500, I just don't really want to go for it. Then the reflective piping pullover, I kind of wanted this for a personal as well in the red colorway. I mean, like I said, I just don't really know. Like, there's so many things that I kind of want, so many things that I don't know if I should get. It's just, I just don't know. The rhinestone 5 panel is pretty sick too, but nearly $100 on a hat. I think I'm going to pass on those. Then the two things I want the most for the week are going to be the New Era accent beanie. I'm going to try to get every single one if they let me, and then I'm also going to try to get the bookmark for the personal. I think I did forget to say at the beginning that this week is highlighted by the Jane's Addiction collab, but we're not going for any of that stuff, just not for me. But before we get into this live cop, I did want to say I have been uploading a ton of shorts, so if that's something you're interested in, go on my channel and check them out because I got a ton of shorts up there. I think I've uploaded every single day for the last month, so I got a bunch of videos up there if you guys are interested. But also, while you're doing that, if you want to check out the description down below, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will put a card on the screen, and like I said, all the information is in the description down below. But I also will put my brand Sudden if you want to check that out as well. For Halloween today, we actually are doing a sale. It's going to be 31% off the entire website. Just use the code Halloween. You can get 31% off your entire order. There's not much left, to be completely honest, but everything is in stock and ready to ship. So like I just said, if any of that stuff you're interested in, all that information will be in the description down below. And thank you guys so much for all the support. But let's jump right into this live cop. And we are live on the live cop. We got about 1 minute and 30 seconds left until the drop. I think I kind of have a plan on what I want to do for a cart. I think I might just try to get that thermal zip up. I was kind of thinking about it for a few minutes, and I think I'm just going to try to get it and just pray that if it doesn't fit me, I can get my money back on it. And then if I'm able to get that with all the beanies and with the bookmark, like if I can get all that in one cart, I'm going to try to get the jerseys. But if the jerseys are gone, it just wasn't meant to be. I don't really see those reselling that much, to be honest. I could be completely wrong because it is a soccer jersey, so there's definitely potential. I just feel like that design turned into a Supreme design wasn't really executed the best, so I don't really think it's going to do too well. I mean, that green colorway or the pink colorway could. I'm not going to prioritize that over the other things that I want, so I think I'm just going to go for what I said first, and I'm just going to skip out on the pants. I'm just going to go for what I said first, and then if they're still there, which I doubt they will be, but if they are, we're going to try to get those as well. So we have 30 seconds left until the drop right now. Wow, the level actually sold out. The mohairs didn't sell out. Usually the mohair beanies sell out, but it looks like no one was feeling these this time around. Oh, this one, well, that's not mohair, but that one is sold out. All right, we got just a couple seconds left until the drop, and it is 11. Where we at? Oh, is it lagging right now? Okay, here we go. So there's the getting thrown off. So here's this. I cannot believe I'm just gonna pray for a large. I feel like for this specifically, I probably could get a medium. Should we just try to go crazy right now, guys? Should we just try to go crazy right now and go for these? Oops. Why didn't I add that? All right, that was weird. Do you think they'll let us get all of these? If not, I'm gonna get the colors I want. Wow, they're actually gonna let you. You can get all of these in one cart. We're trying it. We're trying it. And then where is the bookmark? Oh, this is the bookmark I want. Now that might have been a bad idea, to be completely honest. That might have been a bad idea. And why is this kind of throwing me off right now? That definitely had potential to be a terrible idea. Maybe I should not have got those jerseys with it. We are loading. I'm actually kind of surprised there's a queue right now. Like last week we got right through. I have a feeling that the jerseys are going to sell out. That might have been a bad idea. But like I said, we weren't really prioritizing those too much. So if all of this can stay except the jerseys, I would not even be mad. But come on, let's get through. Dang, really? It's gonna be like this? I'm very surprised right now. Should I even try going on my phone? This is honestly crazy to me right now. Man, I feel like I might actually regret not getting that piping pullover. Still loading. I'm trying to find the jerseys on my phone. but it's going really slow. Oh, here's the jersey. So the pink is in a full size run, the black's in a full size run, but it looks like the green one is almost sold out. So that's probably what the problem is right here. The green's probably gonna go. No way this is taking this long. Should I just try to add all this into my cart on my phone to see if we can get through on there? I can't even add just the hoodie right now. Oh, something sold out? The jersey. I figured that was gonna happen, but that means we should probably get right through. Usually when that happens, I get through. No, come on. This is crazy. I honestly can't even believe this right now. Still waiting. That's kind of wild. On my phone, it's showing the pink. Oh, no, it's gone. And so is green. So green should be selling out here any second. And then are we gonna get through after the green sells out? So see, that was a terrible idea. If I didn't get the 2 jerseys, I probably would have made it through. Oh, we're through? And pink's gone, but green is still there? No way we're about to do this right now. No way we are about to do this with the green jersey in there. No. Oh, this isn't good. I can't even process the payment right now. I've never seen that before. I have never seen this before. Dang, this is not good. The bookmark sold out? Are you kidding me right now? We didn't get the bookmark? That is crazy. So we did get lots of things that we wanted. No way. They made me wait in line for 5 minutes. That's why the bookmark sold out. How the jerseys looking right now? They're still, some of them are still here. Oh no, it's sold out, and sold out. Okay, I was gonna say, all right, here's what I'm gonna try to do for one more cart. This might be crazy, but here's what we're gonna do. We're going for these again. Is this might be free shipping. This might just be enough for free shipping. If that black or red bookmark is sold out, that's gonna be crazy. All right, I'm gonna do the black one, I guess. Let me make sure. Why is it? No way. The queue again just for this cart? Are you kidding? I should have checked on the piping thing to see if that sold out. If the black bookmark sells out, this is gonna be nuts. Come on, just let us right through. I can't let anything sell out. Okay, good, we're through. If anything sells out, we lost the free shipping. We're gonna have to go all the way back. I blame this on the process thing. If that would have, oh my, is this it? No, not that again. I blame it on the process thing, because if that would not have done that, I probably could have got that bookmark. But what are the odds that that bookmark sells out? None of the accessories have really been selling out this season. No, it's doing it again. Is this really gonna do this to me? I've never seen this before. Now it does it twice to me in the same video. Let's try this again. Hopefully though, after that refresh, it will do it. It did that last time. Come on. I was wrong. Please, come on. All right, we got it. We got it. What a crazy week. Before I end this though, we have to go back. We have to see if any of that stuff sold out. What are we looking like right now? Thermal is still here in the size I got. That is sick. That is not going to be a good sign if I need to sell this. No way. That's actually very surprising that the camo is also full size run. So here's the piping in red. Full size run 2. I feel like I'm going to regret not getting this, but I also feel like I might not be able to wear this. Like, I don't know if this is something for me as bad as I want it. I don't know. I might regret it. Who knows? The $500 jacket did sell out. So obviously that means the pants did, but are all the jerseys? Yeah, all the jerseys are gone. And we surprisingly got the green one. I'm actually kind of excited to see if those resell. We actually got one and they actually did sell out. And I think I said that I didn't really think they would. The pants are also sold out. All of these are here. I feel like these might have potential, like the Kelly green colorway or something, but that $78 price tag is really high. I doubt any of the leather sold out. All the hats are here. Scary sign. Both of the bikes are there. That's odd. And I cannot believe this bookmark is gone. I'm so upset. They must have made more of these than their usual bigger items, because that's still here and that's weird. Are you kidding me right now? This is absolutely insane to me. It is a sick bookmark, but honestly, this week kind of caught me by surprise. I did not see that happening. I'm also interested to see these later on down the line, if these resell or not. So I wonder if I'm going to regret not buying those. But all right, let me end this screen recording. What a week. That was actually really crazy. I did not think that those were going to sell out like that. A $20 item that I felt like I was probably the only person going for, and it sold out. I also decided at last minute to get that soccer jersey. We actually did get one of the 2 that I added to the cart. So overall, it was a pretty good week. Like I said, I'm just really surprised. That was quite the week, and I think I'm going to have a few regrets on the week on not getting those pants and not getting that piping jacket, but I guess we'll just have to see. But like I said at the beginning of the video, if you want to follow me or my brand on Instagram, I will have all the information in the description down below. Let me know in the comments down below as well if you guys picked up anything from this week. Thank you guys so much for all the constant support, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the video with a like, and make sure you subscribe, hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.